Pros and cons of living in Washington District of Columbia will completely change how you view your future. When I first spent time there, I realized most people miss a massive hidden financial benefit of the city. The job market is robust, with high-paying roles in technology and healthcare growing by over 10%. This economic strength impacts the happiness index, which ranks among the highest in the nation. I love walking through the historic neighborhoods, where green spaces and vibrant street life blend perfectly. The culture feels genuinely diverse, connecting people from all backgrounds in active communities. Safety is a priority, and the heavily patrolled residential zones feel exceptionally secure and walkable. Residents also benefit from world-class healthcare facilities, which consistently earn top national ratings. Now, we must discuss the premium cost of living, which sits significantly above the national average. Let us look at a real scenario where an average two-bedroom apartment can easily cost $3,000. That price seems high, but local salaries are scaled upward to comfortably balance out these housing costs. Remember that hidden perk I mentioned? The city provides free universal public kindergarten education. I had to pause when I saw the data because this single benefit saves families thousands of dollars annually. As we transition to the next major downside, I will share a simple strategy that completely eliminates it. The daily traffic congestion is undeniably brutal, and drivers regularly waste hours stuck on major highways. The simple strategy is utilizing the world-class public metro system, which is incredibly clean and punctual. Another aspect to consider is the dynamic climate, bringing 4 distinct seasons to the entire region. I think the spring season is unmatched, especially when the world-famous cherry blossoms cover the district. Future growth remains remarkably strong, ensuring your real estate investment retains long-term value. It makes me reflect on how different the reality of this city is compared to what we see on television. To move here, your first step should be researching neighborhood maps to find highly patrolled areas. Second, you need to calculate your budget based on local income statistics rather than national averages. Finally, you should test the Metro Transit lines near your potential home before signing any rental lease. Balancing the high costs against the exceptional opportunities reveals a uniquely rewarding place to live. Ultimately, the decision comes down to whether you are ready to invest in a fast-paced, premium lifestyle.